I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After afternoon highs that are seasonal to slightly warmer than normal in the 50s and northwest winds gusting into the 40s, we'll see those winds diminish for tonight. High pressure moves overhead to keep our forecast dry for tonight through Sunday. Highs rebound slightly to the mid-50s to the low 60s tomorrow and Friday. Saturday, the warmest day of the next week, with highs mostly in the upper 50s to the mid-60s, even the upper 60s over north central Kansas. The next cold front dropping our highs into the upper 40s to the mid-50s for Sunday and Monday, and the 40s on Tuesday. Low pressure lifting out of the Four Corners may result in a few showers Sunday night and widespread rain on Monday. Rain chances may linger into Monday night. Our first chance of snow looks to be a minor event, may arrive by next Wednesday. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are mostly seasonal or near normal the early to middle part of next week before we see a trend of cooler than normal temperatures late next week through November 26th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation likely to be above normal Monday through November 26th, especially the early to middle part of next week. Key weather factors driving the markets include a chance of a big storm in the plains and Midwest next week, and South America weather staying favorable for now. A storm developing over the Midwest drifts eastward, reaching the mid-Atlantic coast early Friday. Mostly beneficial rain falls across the Midwest, mid-Atlantic, and southeast, but the very dry northeast remains mostly dry. A Pacific storm moving inland produces widespread late-week precipitation, briefly extending as far south as Southern California. Late in the weekend and early next week, a significant precipitation event may unfold across the central and southern sections of the Rockies and Plains as the western storminess tracks eastward. Also, forecasters continue to watch the chance of tropical development over the Caribbean Sea with possible future implications for portions of the Gulf Coast. Brazil crop weather is mostly favorable. In central Brazil, soybean establishment continues to benefit from wet season rains. Southern Brazil soil moisture could be dropping, but rain next week could bring some better coverage and amounts. Towards Argentina, widespread rains are less frequent. For now, conditions are mostly favorable in Argentina, but a La Niña pattern may be a threat for heat and dryness during the late crop season. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.